questions? All right. Here's our next one. Here, let me write that bigger. A passes through the points 4, 5, and 4, 9. Line B passes through the points 7, 2, and negative 4, 2. Are line A and B parallel, perpendicular, or neither? You gotta have some work on your board to go with your work, to go with your answer. About 20 seconds left. All right, if you think you have the answer, stand up. Let's see, and Jada, you can't do picks, so go ahead and stand up. Then over here, got 4 of you. Okay, Jada, pick somebody standing over here. All right, Presley, what have you got? Okay, let me see your work. Okay, that looks good. All right, so 4 points here. We did not have many people standing this time.
I didn't know what it was. No, I didn't do any work for it at all. I knew one of them was vertical, or I knew one of them was going to be vertical.
Yeah. So you can do that. This one, X's are the same, so it's vertical. This one is horizontal, so you can do that. If you do slope, which is what you would normally do, 9 minus 5 over 4 minus 4 is going to give you 4 over 0 for your slope here. That is undefined. What does an undefined line look like? Vertical, right? So this is a vertical line. And then we've got 2 minus 2 over 7 plus 4. We get 0 over 11, which is...
Wait, that's wrong. That looks weird. It'd be 7 minus... Yeah. Negative 4 minus 7.
Does it matter?
That's what we did.
Right, but it doesn't matter, right? So you could do it either way. Right, if you got negative 4 minus 7, you get negative 11. Does it matter whether it's 0 divided by 11 or 0 divided by negative 11? It doesn't matter. So you get a slope of 0 either way. 0, what kind of line do you have there? Horizontal. So these are sort of flipped. You got the 0 on the bottom here and the 0 on the top here. My signs are not different from mine. Yours might have been different. You might have had a negative 11 there, depending on which order you did. But it really doesn't matter because I've got a vertical line and a horizontal line, right? Those are going to be perpendicular to each other. So perpendicular would be your answer. Okay. And on the, on the quiz, it's okay if you don't have work shown for that. Just for the game, I want you to be backing up your answer. Yeah, graph is good here too. You can also graph those and see. Especially in this case, you'll be able to easily see they're perpendicular, right? Graphs are a little less reliable if they are close to being perpendicular, but not, because you might not be able to tell. But especially for this one, a graph is a really good idea. Okay. All right, so let's do this next one. Okay. I'll write this bigger so you can see. Write the equation of a line that passes through the point 4, 0, and is perpendicular to y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. About 10 more seconds. All right, if you have the answer, stand up. All right, and on this team, we got 8, 9, so it's twice. Okay, all right, let's see. Presley, you were picked last, so you may pick anybody standing over here except for Jada. All right, Vince, what have you got? I'm sorry, that is not correct. No, it's just, the problem's right here. All right, Vince, pick somebody standing over here. You can't pick Zane, he's not standing up. You gotta pick somebody standing. All right, Cameron. Okay, 2x minus 8. That is correct. Good job. All right, Vince, you did a parallel line instead of a perpendicular line. You were doing it correctly, but you did a parallel. So whenever we do this, do not fuss the people on your team. We won't play this game if you can't be nice. All right, so we all make mistakes sometimes, and we're going to learn from it and not do it on the quiz. All right, so the slope of this line is negative 1/2, but since it's perpendicular, we've got to flip it and change the sign. So it's going to be 2 over 1, and it's going to be positive. So we're going to have a slope of 2. Okay? It's really easy to forget to do that, and some of you are going to forget to do it on the quiz. So be careful. Yes? Uh-huh. No, it's still their turn. That's what gives you the major advantage on the steal. So, because they'll get, it's basically like I got 2 questions in a row. Yeah. So, you need to do y equals 2x plus b, and you will plug in 4 and 0, so 0 equals 2 times 4 plus b, 8 plus b, subtract that 8, and so negative 8 is your b. So y equals 2x minus 8, right there. All right, questions? All right, let's do our next one. This is Team 2's question, even though they just answered because they stole that one. So this is what gives you the major advantage here. Okay, so this I did just want to show you, this is what it's going to look like on some of the questions you're going to see. So it's going to tell you to write this equation, and you're going to have drop-down boxes. It's y equals something, x plus something. So you will, whatever the slope's supposed to be, you'll click the drop-down box. You'll do that here. Here, you're just going to write me the equation. But I just want to show you what it would look like there. Alright, if you have the answers, stand up. And I'll see Vince and still Presley over here cannot be picked. So we got and okay. Alright, let's see. Vince, you pick anybody standing except for Presley. Alright. Oh wait, no, hold on. It was Cameron that was picked last. I take it back. You can't pick Cameron. So you can pick Presley, but you cannot pick Presley. Alright, listen. See what you got. That is correct. Y equals 6x minus 19. Good job. Okay, I'm going to do that one real quick up here. This is parallel, so it's the same slope. So you're going to have y equals 6x plus b. So it's negative 1 equals 6 times 3 plus b. Negative 1 equals 18 plus b. Subtract that 18. Negative 19 is your b. So y equals 6x minus 19. Okay. Let's see. All right, next problem. Okay, I'm going to write a little bit bigger. It is perpendicular to 3x plus y equals 6 and passes through the point negative 18, 2. About 30 more seconds. All right, if you have the answers, stand up. Let's see, this one, same ones, right? All right, guys. 6 over here, and 5 over here. Okay, and it is still Vince on this side and Alyssa over here. All right, Alyssa, pick anybody standing over here except for Vince. All right, Wade, see what you got. Correct, 1/3 x plus 8. Good job. All right, so let's go through that one really quickly. So you would need to subtract this 3x right here, which would give you y equals negative 3x plus 6. So the slope of this line is negative 3, but it's perpendicular, so what slope have we got to use? 1/3. So we're going to do y equals 1/3 x plus b. We're going to plug in our numbers here, so we'll have 2 equals 1/3 times negative 18 plus b. 1/3 times negative 18, that's negative 18 over 1, that's negative 18 over 3, which is negative 6. So 2 equals negative 6 plus b, and then we would add the 6, so 8 is our b. So y equals 1/3 x plus 8 is the correct answer there. Okay. Questions? All right, we're going to do one more. We'll make this one up. And this is a very tight game here, 14-14. So this belongs to team 2. So if they get it, they win, as long as they've got at least one person standing up that gets it right. Over here, though, if they miss it and you steal, you win. If you miss it and if you guys miss it too, then we're just calling it a tie because we gotta go take a quiz. So let's write. About like the last one. Write the equation of the line parallel to 3x minus 2y equals 10 that passes through eight, 5. You have the ant. Oh, are we talking? Oh, that could lose your team points.
No, I'm not.
Doesn't matter what you talk about. I'm talking. All right. All right. If you have the answer, stand up. All right. We got. Let's see. Got 7 over here, and then 1, 2, say 5 over here. Okay. All right. Let's see. Wait. Pick somebody standing over here. Oh, so who can you not pick? You cannot pick Alyssa. No, if you sit down. Not all.
I wouldn't pick him either.
All right.
I
I don't think so.
Oh!
Okay. Don't erase it. Okay, Presley, pick anybody standing over here except for Wade. All right.
Come on, man.
Tie. It's a tie. All right, let's do this one. Okay.
What was the answer?
3 halves x minus 7.
Minus 7. I was wrong too.
That got. Yeah. All right, let's look at it. Okay. All right, so subtract your 3x. So negative 2y equals 10 minus 3x. Divide by negative 2. Y equals negative 5 plus 3 halves x. So slope of this is 3 halves. It's parallel, so we use that same slope. So we've got y equals 3 halves x plus b. And so we'll put the 5 right here and the 8 right here. Okay, so 3 halves times 8 over 1 is going to give you 24 over 2, which is 12. So 5 equals 12 plus b. Yours was probably just a sign somewhere, wasn't it?
I messed up right there.
And so that's negative 7 is b. And so y equals 3 halves x minus 7. Both of them had the right slopes and had the wrong y-intercept, so they probably made a mistake somewhere there. Yes. Yes. Selena. Yeah, it's sitting right here now. I'll be here during lunch if you want to ask. Okay. All right. Quiz is on the